তারপরে করো। Okay, I am going to start statistics. You know, mode is going on. Mode is going on. Please follow. Otherwise, you may face difficulty in future. Those who are not following the class may face difficulty in future. Right? So, mode 11 commerce statistics. Mode I have already started to calculate this. Now today I will calculate some sums on mode. Number 1, find mode from the following data. From the data given, income is the question I am giving. Income in rupees. In rupees. The number of persons. That is frequency. You know, and this is X. Now the given from your exercise, the exercise given, 100 range is 100 to 200. 100 to 300, rupees 300 range. 100 to 400. 100 to 500. 100 to 600. These are the data given, and the frequencies is 15 for 100 and 200, then 33 for 100 to 300, then 63 from 100 to 400, then 83 for 100 to 500, then 100 for 100 to 600. So frequency, you just find that. You find that the frequency of 100, 200, 100, 300, so it includes from the beginning to the end. We have to rearrange the sum. How can I do this? In order to calculate, we have to rearrange the sum first. Income. Income in rupees. আর এখানে হচ্ছে frequency. I am not writing the number of persons mean frequency. Have you any question? Students, have you any question? No. So just 100 to 200, the frequency, 100 to 200, frequency is 15. Frequency is 15. এই যে 15 দেয়া আছে। এবার দেখো 100 to 300, that means you have to exclude the class 200 to 300. You have to exclude this one from 33, 15 from 33. You have to exclude 15 from 33 because this is included as 100 is here, 100 is here. So this must be excluded from 33. That is 5 to 13, 8, 2, 2 to 3, 1, 18, 18. And then 300, range is 300 to 400. So in case of 300 to 400, there is 63. But we must exclude this part, that is 33. Then 0 and 3 to 6, 3. 33. 30. So it is 30. And next, 400 to 500. 400 to 500. It is 83. So this minus this. So 0, 6 to 8, 2. And then 500 to 600. That is 100 minus 83. That is 7, 1. 17. This is the frequency. So you have to rearrange the sum in this way. Otherwise, you will not get the proper answer. Is it clear, boys, students? Is it clear? Is there any confusion? Please tell me. Can you do it by yourself or I will do it? I will work out the sum or you will do it? Devargo? Will I work out the sum here? Then I am working out. Mode, formula কি? আমি কি লেফট সাইডটা মুছে দেব? নাহলে অঙ্ক করা যাবে না। আমি এই সাইডটা মুছে দিচ্ছি। আনসার Now what is the formula of mode? Perhaps you can remember. Mode means আমরা মোডের জায়গায় লিখব z, জায়গা নেব না। Capital Z denotes mode. Z is equal to L1, I have already explained it, plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Can you remember? L1 plus F1 minus F0 by F1 minus 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. This is the formula. So, where I will get the range? 15, 18, 30, 20, 17. Which is the greatest one? This is the greatest. So 30 is the highest frequency in this column. Therefore 30 is F1, and before it is F0, and after this is F2. You denote this. Now L1 is such. L1 means lower range. 300 to 400 is the F1. So 300. So in case of Z is equal to L1 means 300 plus formula ki F1. F1 means 30. 30 minus F0 means 18 by 2F1 মানে 2 into 30 minus F0 means 18 minus F2 means 20 minus 20 into I কত 100 100 is the class interval 200 minus 100 is equal to 100 300 minus 200 is equal to 100 so 100 range so into 100 into 100 is it visible student is it visible okay or Z is equal to 300 plus 30 minus 18 is equal to 12. Thirty minus 18 is equal to 12 and it is 60 minus 18 minus 8 minus 18 minus 20 the minus 38 minus 38 into 100 now or Z is equal to 300 plus 12 by এটা কত হচ্ছে 38 8 to 10 to 22 right it is 22 into 100 or Z is equal to 300 plus কত হবে এটা দুই দিকে দিই 2 6 at 12 আর 2 11 at 22 so 600 by 11 600 by 11 or board is too small 300 plus এটা ডিভাইড করলে কত হবে 600 কে তুমি ডিভাইড করো কত দিয়ে 11 দিয়ে 4 44 44 6 0 তার মানে পয়েন্ট নিলাম 5 5 5 5 হবে তার মানে এটাকে 6 করতে পারি আমরা অলমোস্ট 6 করতে পারি আই থিঙ্ক Six, okay. So it is 300 plus কত করলাম 5 11 55 5 5 11 55 0.6 নাকি 55.5 56 or Z is equal to 355.6 or 0.24 হতে পারে 0.54 করেছে আনসার আছে 56 maybe or maybe the 355.55 this is the answer whatever both are same now it is clear boys is it clear or not is there any confusion so I am doing another sum very Small sum I am giving. Yes? No, sir. Clear. Thank you. So I am removing it. I am removing it. A few minutes are left. I am doing another sum, small sum. ছোট সাম করাই কারণ না বড় সাম হবে না টাইম নেই ক্যালকুলেট মোড দেয়াই আছে মার্কস 0 to 10 10 to 20 20 to 30 30 to 40 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. These are the marks or class interval. Number of students. That is F, frequency. It is 4. এটা 4, frequency হচ্ছে 4, এটা হচ্ছে 10, this is 20, and this is 35, this is 15, and this is 6. জবরজঙ্গল লাগছে এটা মুছে দিই ঠিক আছে Now we will calculate. Give us calculate mode. There is calculate mode. Answer. Now, what is the highest frequency here? Where is the highest frequency? 35. 4, 10, 20, 35, 15, 6. So it is the frequency level. আমরা formula কি জানি? Formula কি জানি? Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. This is the formula. Now, or Z is equal to L1. কোনটা L1 30? কারণ এটা হচ্ছে 30 plus F1. তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে F1. The before is F0 and after is F2. F1, F0, F2. Now F1 is equal to is 35. 35 minus F0 means 20 minus 20 then 2 into 35 এটা করেছি নাকি minus F0 is 20 and F2 is 15 into কত কত range কত 10 30 to 40 that is I হচ্ছে 10 now or Z is equal to 30 plus 15 25 minus 20 is equal to 15 it is 70 minus 35 তাই তো into 10 Okay? Or Z is equal to 30. এটা কি করলাম? দেখো, এটা করেছি 35 ইন্টু 270, আর -20 -15 ইজ ইকাল টু -35, দুটো মাইনাস, তো প্লাস 15, 70 minus 35, I think it is 35, 5 5 to 10, carry 1, 4 to 7, 3 into 10, or Z is equal to 30 plus 150 করে একেবারে 150 by 35, 5 জায়গায় 5 7 30, or Z is equal to 30 plus 30 by 7, 30 by 7, তো 30 কে 7 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করে নিতে হবে, আমাদের তো আর কিছু করার নেই। So 4.28. So 30 is equal to, or Z is equal to 30 plus 4.28. Is equal to, Z is equal to 34.28. Answer. Now clear? Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Yes sir or no sir? Yes. Only Divargo is answering, other boys are not answering. These are important for the examination. Please take care of these. If you have any questions still, you may ask. Another day I will spend for you to mode, then I will start the next chapter for commerce. No question. Thank you. Thank you. Other students are not coming. I don't think why they are not attending the class. They will be loser. They will must be loser. Because the questions will be set by us, and the method which we are teaching should be followed. I don't know why they are avoiding. The students of class 11, they should attend. They should attend. This is new subject for them. I think you have no question. So thank you very much. Please stay at home.